Teaching my me how to drive. Ang galing-galing niya mag-drive, oh. Oh, left ka dyan, me. Ingat lang. Left. Alright. Okay, diretso. Isang hataw dyan. Teka lang. Tuwid mo muna yung manibela. So, Bob, ayan. Oh! Hinataw! Hindi.
Joke lang yun.
Hindi.
Then?
Okay lang.
Babe!
Sige lang, straight lang. Just keep going. Just follow the road. Remember the broken line. Don't go to the broken line.
Babe, saan ka pupunta din?
Yeah,
Left?
just keep
Right?
going. Keep going straight.
Ay, saan?
Right sa dulo.
Oh, boy. Shit.
Okay, just keep going.
Nandidis na ako.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
Ang galing mag-drive ng asawa ko.
Ah.
Pasado na. Pasado na. Next time siya na magdadrive para sa akin.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, you can drive already. Yan, tama yan, dalawang kamay.
Ba't lang, no?
Galing, oh.
Then, left?
Right, sa dulo.
Left!
Oh, left, I mean.
Pakikita dyan.
Okay, bye-bye na muna sa video. Break konti. Yan, parang hindi ka masyado mabilis pag lumiligo.
Oh, yun pala technique mo.
I love you, me. No, you have to. It's not a technique. You have
Oh,
to.
they didn't, you know, they didn't teach me. Start.
HID pang ilaw ko. HID ang aking dome light. Ang aking cup radar detector. Love you.